Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Throw ball. Let's know about game of throw ball. In a previous video was all about theory of volleyball game. Now, in this video, we will come to know about theory of throw ball game. Index. The things that we will discuss about throw ball are: first, introduction of throw ball game; second, history of throw ball game; third, rules of throw ball game; fourth, scoring; fifth, winning the game; sixth, how to play the game; seven, falls; 8. Major competition; 9. Equipments of throw ball game. Introduction of throw ball game. Throw ball is a non-contact ball sports played across net between two teams of 7 or 9 players on a rectangular court. It is a popularly in Asia, especially on the Indian subcontinent. The game is popularly played in schools, college and clubs. States of India, Sri Lanka, Korea, Thailand, Malaysia, Japan, China, Pakistan, Nepal and Bangladesh. It is slowly taken up by France, Australia, Brazil, England and other countries, and was first played in India as a women's sport in Chennai during the 1940s. Like a volleyball, the game suits are linked with the YMCA. Both volleyball and Newcomb ball, while older games, share many similarities with the throw ball. Throw ball rules were first drafted in 1955 and India's first national level championship was played in 1980. History of throw ball game. According to the Throw Ball Federation of India, throw ball is thought to have originated from recreational sports which was popular among women in England and Australia in 1930. Jagat Singh Chauhan, an alumnus of YMCA, that means Young Men's Christian Association, is believed to have brought it in Chennai, India, where it was played as women's sports in 1940. Thought it is played around the world, it has gained much popularity in India than in any other part of the world. The first set of rules for throwball was formed by Harry Crowbuck, a member of YMCA in 1955. The game reached Bangalore in 1950. The Throwball Federation of India was formed in 1985, along with the Indian National Throwball Championship. By 1990, in India had become a sport both men and women. Rules of throwball. First, throwball is played on court that measures 12.20 by 18.30 square meters. Second, a net is placed across the center of the court at a height of senior group it is 2.30 meters, junior group it is 2.10 meters, sub-junior group it is 2 meters. Third, throwball shall be played between two teams, each consisting of 12 players, 7 or 9 of who can be active on the pitch at any one time. The remaining 3 or 5 players are substitutes. Fourth, throwball use rally scoring in which points can only be scored when serving. Fifth, matches should be played for the best of 3 sets, each set's winner being the first to score 15 points. 6. Service is done immediately. after the referee whistles at the start of the game and after a point is scored. It is done from behind the back line towards any area of the opposition half. 7th. Points are lost in throw ball. If a team fails to return a serve or throw, such as by hitting the net or failing to catch the ball and then throw it back. 8. Passes are not allowed in throw ball. As soon as a player receives the ball, they should return it over the net immediately. 9. Two players cannot catch the ball simultaneously. 10. A player shall serve the ball by palm within 5 seconds after the whistle of the referee without touching the end line. Scoring. Throw ball is scored like a volleyball and uses rally scoring. That means only the team serving can score a point and does so when the opponent falls. The faults can include: first, failure to return the ball over the net. Second, a player touching the ball twice. Third, touching the net. Winning the game. Throw ball matches consist of 3 sets, with each set being won by the team who is the first to score 15 points. The first team to win 2 sets is declared the winner. Due to fast-paced nature of the game of throw ball, teams are required to display a great deal of teamwork and fitness to be successful in beating their opposition. How to play throw ball. First, the team which wins the toss shall have the choice of court and service. Second, there shall be 7 or 9 players in each side. Third, the player standing in position number 7 or 9 shall make the position to serve the ball from outside of the end line. Fourth, a player shall serve the ball by palm within 5 seconds after the whistle of referee without touching the end line. Fifth, the ball shall be served using the palm and the ball shall not touch any part of the body by using any of the skills above the shoulder level in one course of action. 6. The server shall not enter the court before the ball crosses the net. 7. A player shall not take more than one step in position. 8. A player after receiving the ball is permitted only one step forward or backward after the jump. 9. A player may catch the ball with the both hands but shall return the ball with one hand without touching any part of the body. 10. A player while receiving or returning the ball to the opponent court, no part of the body shall cross the box line. 11. Spot jump is allowed while throwing the ball to the opponent court. After stepping, jump is not allowed. 12. At the time of serving, one leg must be contact with the ground. 13. If a player receiving or catching the ball at the center of the body, he or she cannot shift the ball either left or right side and throw the ball to the opponent court by one hand only. 14. A player from one team throw the ball over the net and other team tries to catch it. 15. If the opponent team loses to catch the ball, the team gets a point. 16. The first team to get 15 points wins the set. There are 3 sets. 17. The team which wins the maximum sets is declared as the winner. False. First, juggling. Ball slipping in hands at the time of receiving. Second, double contact. Ball, while in play, received by players which bounce in his or her hands for 2 times is called double contact. When the player receiving the ball on high overhead is also called double contact. Third, dead ball. Any ball that touches the grounds in the free zone box is called as dead ball, and point will be given to opponent team. Fourth, ball in. Any ball that falls on the lines is good whether in service or in play. Fifth, body touch. While throwing, returning, receiving the ball should not touch any part of the body. 6. Delay. A player should not keep the ball not more than 3 seconds and should not rest in the hands during the game. Major competition. Throwball is such a widely known game, but it is not included in Olympic Games. Though there are other matches as well which took place at the domestic and international level. Domestic competition. The Throwball Federation of India organized the National Throwball Championship in India. International competition. A junior international throwball match was conducted in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in December 2015, in which 8 countries participated. Equipments of throwball. A throwball game is a simple game which doesn't require any equipment other than a throwball net, a throwball ball, and a flat court. Even 2 players can play and have fun with the throwball. This is part 1 video of throwball theory. In the part 2 video, we will discuss about some important point of theory and details of throwball equipment. Thank you, dear students. Take care, stay home, and stay safe.